In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create image links in Google Drive and Google Sheets. We'll start in Google Drive to make a shareable link for your image, then we'll place that image directly inside a cell in Google Sheets using that link. This is perfect for dashboards, product catalogs, or any sheet where visuals need to travel with the data. Open Google Drive and locate the image you want to use. JPEG, PNG, or GIF works well. Click the image once to select it, then click Share. In the sharing window, find General Access. If it's set to restricted, only specific people can view it, which won't work for a link-based insert. Click Restricted and switch it to anyone with the link. Keep the permission as viewer so others can see the file, but not edit it. Now click Copy Link to place the shareable URL on your clipboard, and click Done to close the window. That's all you need from Drive. Next, let's place the image in a spreadsheet. Back in Drive, click New and choose Google Sheets to open a blank sheet. Click the cell where you want the image to live. From the top menu, go to Insert, choose Image, and select Insert Image in Cell. This option anchors the image to the cell so it stays aligned when you sort, filter, or move rows. In the Image dialog, switch to the option that lets you insert by link. Paste the shareable link you copied from Drive into the field provided. Make sure it's the image files link, not a folder or a link to a non-image file. When everything looks good, click Insert Image. After a moment, the image will render right inside the selected cell. If the image doesn't appear, it's almost always a permissions issue. Return to the file in Drive and confirm general access is set to anyone with the link and the role is viewer. Also check that the file is a supported image type and hasn't been moved or trashed, which would break the link. Now adjust the display so it fits your layout. Because the image sits inside the cell, change the row height and column width to give it enough space. You can center the cell's contents for a cleaner look, add wrap text to nearby labels, and copy or fill down the cell to reuse the same image where needed. If you prefer a floating image, you can use Insert Image over cells, but for stable alignment with data, in cell is best. And that's it. You created a shareable image link in Google Drive and used it to place the image neatly inside a Google Sheets cell, clean, consistent, and ready to share.